In this video, we will see some examples of keywords that are easy to rank. First, let's take a look at best king size bed frame. The very first thing you want to see is whether all of the exact match domains are available. In this case, all of them are available. If these are all green, it means they are available. If they are taken, they turn red. Some SEOs buy exact match domains, or EMDs as they are also called, to get some advantage while competing in the SERPs. Exact match domains do have advantages, but they can severely limit the size of your site. If you buy a domain like bestKingSizeBedFrame.com, then you can only talk about king size bed frames. You cannot talk about queen size beds or queen size bed frames or any other kind of beds. This can be very limiting, as we will see later while discussing silos. Also, the advantages exact match domains offer may be temporary. And if you are not careful while building links, EMDs can actually result in penalties. So buying EMDs is not always a good idea, but some SEOs still buy EMDs. If you see some or all of the EMDs taken, it's a sign that SEOs are going after the keyword and the competition will heat up sooner or later. Since none of the EMDs are taken, this is an indication that the keyword is most possibly easy to rank. Now, take a look at the domain authority column. All of them are authority domains with DA greater than 50. This is not necessarily a bad sign. Really easy phrases have no competition, which also means no site is deliberately going after that phrase. When no website is deliberately going after a phrase and is optimized for it, Google pulls results from authority domains to populate the top 10. If this is the case, then no site will have the exact phrase in the URL, title, description, or H1 tags. Take a look at the on-page SEO section here. None of the top 10 results have been optimized for this phrase. And now take a look at the number of backlinks each page in the top 10 has. Only 5 pages have backlinks. The rest have 0 backlinks. This is clearly an easy phrase to rank. Not surprisingly, the keyword difficulty score is 25. Now, let's take a look at best queen mattress under 1000. The difficulty score is less than 20. Any keyword that has a difficulty score less than 20 is a very easy keyword to rank. This gets 140 searches a month, and all of the exact match domains are available. Take a look at the domain authority column. In the first position is a DA19 site with just 17 backlinks, and it is not optimized for the phrase. It does not have the phrase in the URL, title, description, or H1 tags. Almost no site in the top 10 has been optimized for this phrase, and there are several sites with DA less than 20 in the top 10. At the 10th position is a DA9 site with a page authority of 1, and it has not been optimized for the phrase, and it has 0 backlinks. You can very easily rank for this phrase in the top 3 with almost no effort. Of course, your site will have to be very relevant and your on-page SEO has to be excellent. We will discuss that in a short while. Let's now check best mattress protector for memory foam. This also has a difficulty score of 19 and all of the exact match domains are available. And none of the top 10 results have been well optimized for the phrase except for this one. There is this DA27 site with no backlinks and a page authority of 1 in the second position. Let's take a look at how much these are selling for on Amazon. They are selling for around $40, but anyone looking for these could also be looking for more stuff. And memory foam mattresses is a niche with a lot of expensive products. This is the kind of keyword you will want to go after initially. You want as many of these keywords as possible, at least 35 to 50 on your site. Then you can go after keywords with higher search volumes. Every page on your site does not need to target a high priced product, but you want to target niches with products that sell for between $50 to $300 or more. A few of the individual pages can target products that sell for even as low as $10, but as long as there are plenty of high priced products in the niche, your site should earn a good deal of money every month. Let's take a look at this one now. Best sheets to stay cool. This has a difficulty score of 24. All of the exact match domains are available and none of the top 10 have been optimized. But what really stands out is this. There are 2 domains with a domain authority of less than 20 and page authority of 1 and 0 backlinks. So this certainly is an easy phrase to rank for. The takeaway from this video is this. You should not rely only on the keyword difficulty score. You also need to analyze the top 10 results and see how well they are optimized, how many links they have, and what's the DA of each of those sites. Relying on just keyword difficulty alone can sometimes be a mistake.